Greetings, my friends. Welcome back to another N-Trade video. And today we are going to be trading with the Quant Trading Robot, a fully automated tool that we have just released. With this tool, you no longer have the need to place your own trades. Now you can just select the settings that suit you the most, select the amount you want to put per trade, the amount of martingale trades. You select the time frame that you want the trades to be executed on and the number of trades, and the robot will do everything completely automatically, from analyzing the market and finding the best asset to place trades on to executing the trades completely on its own on that chart. So if you want to trade with this tool already, we have opened the access. However, we're letting people in waves because we're still working on this tool even though it's already released. We don't want to overload it, so we're letting people in waves. So send me a message at ntrade_pro and be one of the first ones to get in. The sooner you do it, the earlier you will get in, because we have a lot of people right now already trading and I still have a lot of DMs that I even didn't go through. So reach out to me. You can also find the link in the description to this video. And now let me show you the process of how to set up your account and how to start trading with it. All right, so let me guide you how to boot up this robot after you get the access. First thing you do, you simply type /start, you press it, and there you have it. The robot will ask you if you already have a Pocket Option account or you don't have one. You can press no, create a new one, and it will ask you for the email that you want and give you a password that will be hidden and only seen by you. And you can immediately log in and start trading. So this is for the people who are new to trading, and you can just create an account right in the bot. You don't even have to go to Pocket Option. I already have one, so I'm gonna just press I already have one, and it's gonna ask you for your Pocket Option email of the account that you already have. You put in your email, it's gonna ask you for the password. You enter your password to the account that you have, and it's gonna log you in and connect the account from Pocket Option to this bot. You shouldn't be worried about the security. It's really safe. We have done everything in accordance to the rule set, but if you're still worried and not completely sure, you can go and change your password right after that if you would like. I'm not gonna go through the whole process because that will be the end of the process. Once you log in, you're gonna have 3 demo trades that you can execute the trading session to see how the robot performs. And after that, you're gonna have to refill your account if it's new. If it's already existing account and you have already traded on it, you most likely already refilled, so you can go straight into trading. And let's go ahead and do that. This is when you are looking, you're going to the main menu here, and you have your account, you have trading settings, and this is what you're interested in. You go to trading settings, and here we have 2 modes. You have the demo mode where you can trade on demo account a little bit. You have 10 trades, 5-second time frames, and you have real. We're going to be trading on real, so you have time frames that you can set up for the robot to execute your trades on: 10 seconds, 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute, 120 seconds, and 300 seconds are available time frames. We're gonna go for 5 seconds, so these are gonna be quick trades. And here we have also the amount we wanna put per trade. We're gonna go maybe a little bit lower, not 500, not 1,000. Let's do like 250, right? Let's do the 10, 15. You can see you can do smaller amounts from $1 to 5 to 25. We're gonna go a bit higher here and let's do 250, right? Trades, the amount of trades. Also select what you like. You can go all the way to 1,000. I usually do in a range of 10 to 20 trades. You can do 50, 100. If you like 100, you can let the robot trade the entire night if you want to. And we're gonna keep it at 10. And the martingale trade, these are the trades. If you lost your first trade, it's gonna put another trade to offset, and it's gonna double the amount to make sure that you are offsetting the initial loss and making profit on top of that. You can select how many trades you want the robot to execute here, all the way up to 10, I think. Let's go skip through these. Do 6, 7, and off. Okay, not more than 7. We're gonna keep it at 1, and this is pretty much it. The settings are done, and we can back out of settings now. And the next step is simply pressing trade real. We press trade real, and the robot starts scanning the market where we will be trading. Boom, we got VIX, OTC, Let's go and check it out. It's probably crypto, right? There you go. This is an asset. We have it selected, and now we just press execute session, and that is done. The robot starts trading, and you're gonna see the trade goes in. Here we have our first trade, $480 locked in easily. Second trade executing as well. We took a loss. Martingale trade placed. Boom, we got it. Another trade, 480. And we are 3 trades for 3 so far, pretty good. Another trade, boom, another profit, and we continue grinding. We continue grinding here. We're probably gonna see a little bit of rejection, but so far we're doing pretty damn good. Another trade here, let's see it. Took a loss here, that's fine. Boom, next trade, we had Martingale here, and we're placing another one and also getting a win. Boom, once again 480. And next one, gonna be one more. We have more trades pending, and you can see I'm completely hands-free. I'm not doing anything. Everything is done by the robot. I'm simply here sitting and enjoying my view while the robot is profiting for me. You can see on the screen that the trades are placed automatically. I am not doing anything, and this can go on all night. You just set the settings that you want the robot to do, and it will execute everything else. And there you go, guys. We're done with the trading session. $1,300 of profit. I have zero involvement here. I didn't do anything. I let the robot do everything. We had 9 wins and only 1 loss. And you can go back to main menu or trading settings, change whatever you can do. For example, $1 trades if you want like crazy trades. 5 seconds, set the amount to $1, right? Let's do that. And you can just do like 15 trades, 50 trades on $1, and you just start it, and you can set like Martingale to 3, back out if you're a beginner trader, right? And you just press trade real, and it's gonna find the asset that it's gonna execute the trades on, analyze the market, and we have the asset. I'm not gonna sit through the entire process here, but I just want to show you how it's done. And there you go. And you can also learn and observe. The robot pulls the information extremely fast. So we press execute session, and there it is, $1 per trade, we're off. If you put like $50, it's gonna farm the market for you. Boom, 92 cents, we got it. And another trade we lost, boom, it's fine. Next trade doubled up because we have Martingale trade on. Another win, or actually we lost. That's fine. We only placed $1. That's why we placed a little bit, right? You can have smaller trading sessions, bigger trading sessions, whatever you enjoy, whatever you like. You can see the robot just doing everything for you. Unfortunately, we're kind of hitting a rough market here, and you can stop the robot as well at any point from fresh analysis and just execute the trades on a better chart for yourself. There you go. We're starting to win here. We're executing sell position because the robot can see there is an opportunity to get money from a sell position here because the price has been going up for quite some time, so it's probably gonna see a reversal. So if you want to be trading with this tool, send me a message. This tool is fully automated. Like I said, you can set the amount to $1, put 50 trades in, let it sit on your counter, let the robot trade for you, and just execute trades for you completely hands-free. This experience is definitely for people who want to fully automate their trading, and this will be so helpful to you if you don't simply have time to trade. This tool will do it for you. It pulls the indicators, it pulls the market data, and presents it to you in here, executes the trade for you, finds the best opportunity. So this is definitely a tool that you should be paying attention to. I appreciate you guys for watching, and we actually started hitting some good trades here and getting some solid money. So I'm gonna sit this out. Still 20 trades to go, so we're gonna observe this. But I appreciate you guys for joining, for watching this video, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace.